Hello friends, welcome to DDR Academy. In this video I am discussing the previous year question paper of Kerala PSC conducted in 2017, that is Junior Public Health Nurse question paper. And this is the part 1 of the question paper, and the other videos, that is other part of the question paper, JPHN question paper is given. The link of this is given in the description, so you can watch that also. So let me start the first question. The vaccine which is given as intramuscular injection. The vaccine which is given as intramuscular injection. Options are measles vaccine, BCG vaccine, DT vaccine, OPV vaccine. So here, which is the vaccine that is given as intramuscular injection? Answer is DT. Then second question. The green stick type of fracture is common in which of the following? The green stick type of fracture is common in which of the following group? Options: children, elderly people, women, obese persons. The correct answer is children. The green stick type of fracture is common in children. Third question. Venom of cobra attacks on. Options: digestive system, nervous system, circulatory system, respiratory system. Venom of cobra attacks on. Correct answer is nervous system. It attacks on nervous system. Then fourth question. Puerperium is the period in a woman's life which is. Puerperium is the period in a woman's life which is. Options: first week after her first menstruation, first 6 weeks after delivery, first 2 weeks after marriage, period from conception to delivery. So what is the correct answer? First 6 weeks after delivery. Puerperium is the period in a woman's life which is first 6 weeks after delivery. Fifth question. Following is not a staff under primary health center. Following is not a staff under primary health center. Options are medical officer, health worker female, lab technician, CT scan technician. Correct answer here is CT scan technician. CT scan technician is not a staff under primary health center, but all other options, medical officer, health worker female and lab technician, are staff under primary health center. Then following is a disease spread through the urine of rats. Following is a disease spread through the urine of rats. Options: leptospirosis, chikungunya, malaria, dengue fever. Here the correct answer is leptospirosis. Leptospirosis is a disease spread through the urine of rats. Then question number 7. Which of the following statement about rice is false? Which of the following statement about rice is false? Options: milled raw rice contains low amount of vitamin B. Husked raw rice is a poor source of calcium. Hand pounded under milled rice is a fair source of B vitamins. Parboiling of rice causes loss of thiamine while milling. So which of the following statement about rice is false? Correct answer is parboiling of rice causes loss of thiamine while milling. This is the statement which is false about rice. Eighth question. At how many weeks of gestation uterus reaches the level of umbilicus? At how many weeks of gestation uterus reaches the level of umbilicus? Options: 32 weeks, 20 weeks, 22 weeks, 12 weeks. 32 weeks, 20 weeks, 22 weeks and 12 weeks. The correct answer is 22 weeks. At 22 weeks of gestation, uterus reaches the level of umbilicus. Question number 9. MDT is a treatment approach for which disease? MDT is a treatment approach for which disease? Options: AIDS, leprosy, tuberculosis, hepatitis. Correct answer is leprosy. MDT is a treatment approach for leprosy. Then 10th question, Mission Indradhanush is a program related to. Mission Indradhanush is a program related to. Options: palliative care, antenatal care, immunization, mental health. Correct answer is immunization. Mission Indradhanush is a program related to immunization. Question number 11. Pap smear is a simple test to predict the occurrence of dash in females. Options are ovarian cancer, breast cancer, oral cancer, cervical cancer. So Pap smear is a simple test to predict the occurrence of. Correct answer is cervical cancer. Cervical cancer in females. Then question number 12. The relationship of fetal head and limb to its trunk is. The relationship of fetal head and limb to its trunk is. Options: attitude, lie, presentation, polarity. The correct answer is attitude. Attitude is the relationship of fetal head and limb to its trunk. Then question number 13. Anganwadis function under which central government program? Anganwadis function under which central government program? Options: BSS, ICDS, NMEP, NRHM. The correct answer is ICDS, Integrated Child Development Scheme. Anganwadis function under ICDS. Then question number 14. What is the management of postpartum hemorrhage? What is the management of postpartum hemorrhage? Options: give oxytocin drug, start an IV infusion, massage uterine fundus in circular motion, all the above. Correct answer for the management of PPH is all the above. That is, give oxytocin drug, start an IV infusion, and massage uterine fundus in circular motion. 15th question. Which of the following is a description of third degree tear after delivery? Which of the following is a description of third degree tear after delivery? Options: 2 cm long tear on right mediolateral area of vagina after labor. Second, a tear involving vaginal muscles. Third option, a tear involving anal sphincter. Fourth option, a tear extending into vaginal mucosa. So which of the following is a description of third degree tear after delivery? Correct answer is tear involving anal sphincter. A tear involving anal sphincter is the description of the third degree tear after delivery. Then 16th question. A child doubles its birth weight at. Options: 6 months, 8 months, 10 months, 12 months. Child doubles its birth weight at 6 months. The correct answer is 6 months. 17th question. Phototherapy is used to treat dash in patients. Phototherapy is used to treat dash in patients. Options are physiological jaundice, anemia, convulsions, fever. So the correct answer here is physiological jaundice. Phototherapy is used to treat physiological jaundice in newborn. Then question number 18. For a poor anemic woman, which of the following foods may be added to her diet in plenty? Question is, for a poor anemic woman, Which of the following foods may be added to her diet in plenty? Options are milk and curds, green leafy vegetables, fruits, cucumber. Correct answer is green leafy vegetables. For a poor anemic woman, green leafy vegetables may be added to her diet in plenty. Then question number 19. Kidneys are composed of millions of functional units called dash. Kidneys are composed of millions of functional units called dash. Options: neurons, rod cells, nephrons, follicles. Correct answer is nephrons. Functional unit of kidney is nephron. Then question number 20. Which day is observed as TB day? Which day is observed as TB day? Options: October 30, September 29, February 14, March 24. Correct answer is March 24. March 24th is observed as World TB Day. Then question number 21. Dash is added to water to remove temporary hardness. Dash is added to water to remove the temporary hardness. Options: calcium hydroxide, ion exchange resins, sodium carbonate, calcium carbonate. Correct answer is calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide is added to remove temporary hardness. Then question number 22. Dash is the best spacing method for a woman who has one child. Dash is the best spacing method for a woman who has one child. Options: copper T, tubectomy, oral pills, vasectomy. Correct answer is copper T. Copper T is the best spacing method for a woman who has one child. Then question number 23. MTP Act came into force in India in the year. Options: 1971, 1948, 1986 and 1969. MTP Act came into India in the year. Correct answer 1971. Then question number 24. Which of the following statements about rights of children in India is false? Options: a child has the right for physical, emotional and social development. A child's right to survival begins from birth. A child has the right to be protected against all sorts of abuse. A child has the right to participate in any decision directly involving himself. So here the correct statement is, the correct answer is, a child's right to survival begins from birth. The question is, which of the following statement about the rights of children in India is false? The right answer is a child's survival right to survival begins from birth. Then question number 25. The causative agent of diphtheria is options: Bordetella, Salmonella, Corynebacterium, Mycobacterium. The causative agent of diphtheria is, right answer is Corynebacterium. Then question number 26. Obesity is defined as a body mass index. Options: more than 30, less than 18, between 25 to 29, from 20 to 25. Correct answer is more than 30. Obesity is defined as body mass index more than 30. Then question number 27. AIDS is transmitted by options: bite of bed bugs, sitting on same bench with a patient, sexual contact with a patient, shaking hands with a patient? Correct answer is sexual contact with a patient. AIDS is transmitted by sexual contact with a patient. Then question number 28. The incubation period of influenza is. The incubation period of influenza is. Options 1 to 2 days, 1 to 2 weeks, 15 to 20 days, 1 to 6 months. The incubation period of influenza is 1 to 2 days. Question number 29. The following is a measure to control dengue fever epidemic in your locality. Options: washing hands before eating food, drinking only boiled water, remove all collections of water from old tire, broken toys, etc., covering mouth and nose while in public places with a mask. Correct answer is remove all collections of water from old tire, broken toys, etc. is the measure to control dengue fever epidemic in your locality. Then question number 30. The following is an advice given to an antenatal woman. Options: do not wear cotton garments, do not eat fruits in early pregnancy, do not take vitamin supplements, do not take over-the-counter medications. So what is the answer here? Do not take over-the-counter medicines is the advice given to all antenatal women. So thank you for watching the video. Hope you liked this video. Also you can watch the other videos, other parts of the this question paper in other videos. Thank you.